Hi, welcome to Lake Washington Institute of Technology. My name is Casey Monrick, and I'm so excited to tell you about the different opportunities we have available here on campus. LWTech is the only public institute of technology in Washington State, and we're committed to preparing students for today's careers and tomorrow's opportunities. At LWTech, you'll be able to choose from different areas of interest ranging from healthcare to manufacturing to IT to design to many more. Within those fields, we have 43 different programs that you can choose to study, including 10 applied bachelor's degrees, 44 associate degrees, and 93 professional certificates. So whether you're a first-time college student, somebody trying to advance their career, maybe you've been laid off and you need additional training, regardless of circumstances, you belong at LWTech. At LWTech, you'll have the opportunity to work beyond your classroom. Whether through interdisciplinary projects like fitness students working with our baking arts program to develop protein bars that are sold in the bakery, or nursing and PTA students conducting clinicals at local healthcare facilities, students will get hands-on, industry-related experience while still in school. We partner with local industry to create curriculum that meets the needs for employers and the economy. These partnerships and career opportunities help students to get the jobs that they want, as well as provide employers with the workforce they need. LWTech believes in a community of belonging where everyone's welcome. We know that a person is more successful when they feel connected to their community. As such, we're building an inclusive environment in the classroom and on campus, in person or online, that encourages the students to find their own success for themselves, for their family, and for their community. We believe in access to an education. We have several opportunities to help you pay for college, like scholarships, financial aid, grants, as well as other resources on campus to help you succeed in the classroom, including advising, workforce development funding, disability support services, TRIO grants, veteran services, and more. We at LWTech are so excited to help and support you pursue the career that you have always wanted. Starting at LWTech is simple. Just connect, apply, and register. Visit LWTech.edu/get started or scan the QR code to connect with us and get more information today. We'll talk to you soon.